All right, welcome back. Here we have the 2021 Ford Bronco Badlands Edition. We're going to do a POV test drive with it, give you a kind of a true realistic feeling of driving this vehicle. So let's get it started, right? I'll show you a quick tour of the exterior of it. How's this back seat? Oh, plug things in. So roll the windows up and down. Nice. These over here. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take it for a test drive on the street. We'll do a little light off-roading. Got some controls here, controls here. The windows roll up and down right here. So, controlled by your middle 4 buttons. You have your off-road settings. Too low, high. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, manual. All right, let's take her out. I do have the air conditioning on, so you'll hear the air conditioning. Turning the air conditioning off so you can hear the road noise that comes with the Bronco. Do you have the backup camera before we get going? Here we go. All right, quick acceleration test. I'll roll the window down so you can hear the wind noise. It's only on this side, so you'll be able to tell the difference between window open and not the window open. Pretty smooth. This is the wind noise at 35. Alright, let's see the turning radius. We go a U-turn here. Oh yeah, The steering is nice, it's super easy, one finger. Back out. Let me roll the window back up. And here we go again. Turn that air conditioning back on. It's a warm day out here in Upland. Take us around to where there's a little bit of off-road dirt rocks to see, so you can tell the vibration once we get over there. We're not stopping, we're not going to service. All right, see it goes concrete dirt. We got some bigger rocks on this side, so we'll see hands free in the dirt how it kind of handles straight, and you'll get an idea of how much the vibration is. There's a pretty little drop right here. We're in two-wheel. See if I little turning radius in the dirt. It's kind of nice that Ford of Upland has this little area over here so you can get a feel of how bumpy it can actually get. Let me roll the window down to give you a sound of driving through rocks as well. Stopping pretty sharp in the dirt, worked out pretty nice. That window back up. We're gonna do a quick gravel stop. That's pretty good too. See the dust rise up. We'll do one more lap. Ooh. Need a little more pep speed on this one. See if we're getting any. Oh, no sliding. All right. Do want to thank you. I have the opportunity for watching Ford of Upland's YouTube. We're doing a bunch of like POV test drives and reviews, things like that. So please subscribe to our channel for all kinds of Ford vehicle videos. All right, so there you have it. We did a little off-road, did a little on-road, little stop test, little acceleration test. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please feel free to give us a call. We'll help answer any questions that you have. Thanks for taking your time today. Have a great one.